Hello and welcome to the second session of the YouTube channel making. So this session I have specially created to know about the pre-requirement of the YouTube channel. So in front of you can just watch one YouTube channel which I have created. My company's YouTube channel is that which I am maintaining. So let's see two things that you need to focus on before actually uploading the video and make it more interactive to the users. Okay, so this is the YouTube channel. You can just check the link of it, youtube.com/c/mithusphilologies. If I write only youtube.com/mithusphilology, then also same URL or same video or same channel will get open. Now two things I just want to focus on. See this image which is shown over here. This image we call as the header of your channel. So it's not by default available, you have to upload it. I can change it from here, check it out. And one more thing, the videos that we see over here in the channel, so all they are containing some pictures present at the front screen of them. Remember, these pictures are not present inside the video, they are added afterwards. Okay, that's what we call as the front screen, the thumbnail actually for the videos. So these thumbnails should be created first, and after that when you upload the video, that thumbnail will appear like that. On that thumbnail, what is written, by this we can identify what kind of video is that. If you don't upload a thumbnail, then what will happen, I'll just show you. See, these are the videos of my channel. Okay, so previously some videos are not, see this one, these videos are not containing it. So one of the screen from the respective video will be taken like this, and that will be shown as the thumbnail. And after that I have added the thumbnails almost to all the videos, which will describe your videos like this. So it will make your channel more interactive. So how to create this channel art and how to create the thumbnails, that I will show first. So before that, I'll just take an overview of this channel. So in the next video, we'll get a complete detailing overview of the channel creation there. So let's see. So these are the recent uploads that we can see here. Then in videos, all the videos will be shown in the sequence of their uploading. Here we can sort them by popularity or the date of uploading, or playlist which I have created. In next session, I'll show how to create the playlist also. See how the playlist, multiple playlists are available. Then community means the other channel which are connected to my system that I can show you, as well as I can make the updations just like the social media that you do. Okay, so other channels that will be shown, other channels connected to my system, and about. So about your channel, your description can be shown. Okay, statistics also shown, how many views, and then how many what's the description of it, detailing all that thing that we can see over here. Okay, fine, in this way. So just see how to create this channel art as well as the thumbnail of your video. That's my prime purpose of creating this tutorial connected to the first one. So let's see how to create it. It's very easy and simple ways are available online. We don't have to learn the things like Photoshop, CorelDRAW or GIMP, any kind of such softwares. So there is a tool, there is a website available online called as canva.com. So canva.com contains this mechanism by which you can create the designs for your system. So lot many designs are there. Check this out. So if you go for the recommended for you, so see the designs are available. I can make certificates, YouTube, see YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel art, Twitter header, or Instagram post, or thank you card, poster, business cards, programs, and everything is free. Remember, not all the things are free, but most of the part that you can see on the Canva is free. Okay, so let's make use of it. How to create your thumbnail and channel arts also. See, I have created my account here. Basically, account creation is not required. If you are having your Google account, by using that Google account also you can log in. So this is my login already present here. Say this one. If you open canva.com and when you start sign up, you can use your Google account also to log in to Canva. It is authorized and it is safe to use. Remember that. Okay. So let's see this. For example, I want to create the channel art for my YouTube channel. So I'll just go here, okay, and check it out. So on my front page, it's available. Just click on that. See, so editor will be available to you for use, and here I can make use of the channel art. See, on this left hand side, you can see multiple templates available for your channel. And here the place for designing the channel is present. You can design by your own ideas. You don't require any channel or any knowledge of the graphics, but directly we can make use of it. Choose anyone. I just can choose it. For example, if I click on that, see, if you move your mouse, you can see it's free. Okay, most of them are free. If I click on this, see this. So channel art will appear over here, correct. And if I want to modify, it's possible. See this one, I can modify it as per my ideas. Like, see, for example, I want to create a channel for this trekking. So let's have trekking Sahyadri. Okay, Sahyadri. Okay, like in this way, I can just create this, and my passion, my life, like something like this. I just maintained it. Okay, in this way, I just created it. Fine. And I can modify it. If I want to add something, like I want to add some images, like, so I uploaded it. So you can upload an image from here. If I click on that, I can upload any kind of image that you want from here if you want to add it here. So same thing, for example, I have uploaded this particular image. When I click on that, see, it's available here. So you can just make it of use anywhere, like this. It's very easy to work with. So that's what I want. I got it here. Sometime like this, or if I want to add some other images, like I'm having my own logo also. If I want to add that logo, that also, see this one, it's also possible. tusharkode.com. Okay, so I'm adding it here as per my design, my ideas. Okay, yes. That's how we can make use of. Sorry, check it out. Okay, so designs are possible, anything you can upload. Even they are providing some photos, that also you can upload it. See, the photos are present here. You can add the elements like see these pictures, multiple different elements. Okay, like this. If I want to add this picture, so we can make use of it. Okay, something, if you want to make it on this particular bar, so this, many things are available. Okay, in this way. Fine, correct. So as you can design the things as per your ideas. Okay, if I want to change the data of it, so it's possible. I can change the font, I can change the size, I can change the color. See these colors, bold, italic, or center, adjusted alignments, or the list, bulleting, effects, or many more. Like, see, all they are possible here. You can change the transparency also of it. See this one, transparency. So all these facilities are given here. You just can design by your own ideas. Even you can add the text. Okay, any text, if I click on that, the text will appear here, and I can write the name here, like World of Tushar Kode. Yes, I want to change the color of it. Let's make it black. Okay, check this out here. This is the way that we can make use of. Okay, black is not good, so let's make it orange. Okay, fine, in this way. So you design by your own ideas, or videos can also be uploaded. You can change the background of it also as per your requirement, and folders, okay, not required. Just focus on this particular part, how you make the design so much easily. Okay, that's how the channel art is formed. Okay, now design is correct, design is required as per, design is created as per your requirements, and we have created that. Now the main part is that don't require to have a screenshot of it. I just want to download it. So just check it options here, download, click on this. What format you require? See, formats are available. Okay, first 4 format are good. MP4, GIF are required to get purchased. Okay, so PNG is a default supported format. Size is given. Check it out. Download. Okay, so it will prepare your design and download the respective picture, image in specified formats. Downloading. Yeah. Open. Okay, and go to desktop. Save. Done. So your picture is saved. Check it out. Okay, so your channel art is ready. Say this one. This is a channel art that you can form. Fine. So in this way we are going to create the YouTube channel art, and now in next video I'll show how to upload and where to upload that one. Okay, this is the first, and the second one, your YouTube thumbnails. So I want the YouTube thumbnails to get created. So how to create that? So check it out. I am having YouTube thumbnail also. You click on that. Okay. Now see. So first of all, you have to record the video, and after the video recording is completed, then we are going to create your YouTube thumbnail. And thumbnail size is exactly same as the widescreen of the YouTube videos. So it's not required to define your size in that format is looking good, in this format looking good or not. No required. So we can directly make use of these templates, and based on that you just made your designs. Okay, fine. So let's see. So this is what our YouTube channel thumbnail I'm having here. I just click on that, anyone what I require. So for example, this is required. So check this. The design will be available for you to use. Okay, so this is not free, so I'll just delete that. You can see the watermark is present over it. Watermark is there. Delete. And make your design as per your requirement. So let's see the Rajgarh Fort. Okay, so that's what I, okay, trekking to Rajgarh Fort. Okay, something like this. Okay, you can change it. Yeah. If I want to make it more darker, so click on the pictures. Okay, so let's say this. Okay, it's changed. Rajgarh Fort. Okay, and if I want few more things there, like I have uploaded one picture, so this picture I require here. So check it out. This is a PNG image which I am showing here, and the travel by Tushar P. Kute. Okay, and let's visit me to http tusharkute.com. okay, got this. Okay, this is completely in uppercase, so let's make it in lowercase. Yes, in this way, something like this. You just design it. Okay, if I want more pictures, let's see this one. This is also one of the picture that we can add. Okay, by this is I have uploaded. If I want to make it more transparent, so let's say this. See, got it. Fine. So in this way, the YouTube thumbnails are possible to get created. So this is the way that you create the thumbnails, and many number of. For example, I want to use this similar kind of pictures for other videos also. Just you can find a option here, copy page. So when I click on that, one copy of the similar page is possible. So I'll just use trekking to Rajgarh Fort. Now trekking to Sinhgarh Fort. Okay. So just decrease the size, 96. Okay, fine. In this way. Got it? You can change this again, perform operation. You can, if you want to change the colors, if you want to change. So if you want to repeat the design, so for that case we'll be making use of it. And you want to download all the pictures at a time, that's also provided over here. You can change the name of it, my thumbnails, like this. Okay, and if you want to download all, so it's also possible. All the pages also you can download. First, second, done. PNG format. Okay, fine. So when the design is ready to use, then we can make use of this. We can download it from the respective website here. So once this is completed, design is ready, you can click on the download, and both of these pictures, both of these thumbnails can be downloaded from the respective location. So see this one. So all pages, 1 to 2, done, download it. So you just design as per your idea. So this is what a very easy, handy and free tool available for us to use. Okay, so just okay, go to desktop, my thumbnails, save. Okay, so it's downloaded. Okay, it's available here. I'll just extract it. Fine, so it's available on desktop. See the thumbnails. Okay, this is the first thumbnail which I have created, and this is the second thumbnail created. See this, it's just like same, only the name of the video is different. And after that, when you upload the video, on your YouTube channel, it will appear something like this. Okay, so in the next video, I'll show you how to upload that particular YouTube channel art along with your video, and it's very important to know how to upload it and what's the importance of these two particular things. Okay, now if you want to work with other social media, all they are available here on Canva. Just make sure that it's very easy and handy tools. I am having all of my designs something like this. See, these are all designs which I have created on the Canva, and basically I use this as the, see, this is what my Facebook header is present on. Many are present available here that we can make use of it. Okay, so for YouTube it's very useful, very handy, very important to use it. So that's from the second session. In next session we'll see how to create your YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.